Cody Dudgeon here, registered physiotherapist at Strength and Youth Therapy. In this video today, I'm going to give you a tip on how to get into and out of bed when you have low back pain. Now what we're focusing on today is limiting the amount of twisting and bending that occurs at our spine. And thus, this will limit the amount of pain we have or we experience when we get into and out of bed. What this technique incorporates is a log roll. And what a log roll is your entire body is going to roll as one unit. So your feet, your legs, your trunk, and your head are all going to roll together. So this first technique here, we're going to use a lunge. So you're going to come up to the side of your bed. You're going to get down into a lunge with your outside leg forward. Okay? So I come down, my back is flat, it's straight, not bending forward. I lift my back leg onto the bed, come down onto my elbows, lift my other leg up. No strain on my low back. I haven't bent it, haven't twisted it so far. Second part of this technique is the log roll. And this is when your trunk, your legs, they roll together. So from here, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to roll my entire body over, and I'm on my back. If we're thinking about getting out of bed now, I'm going to do the exact reverse. Okay? So I'm going to roll like a log, my entire body together at the same time. 1, 2, 3. I roll over, onto my stomach, and we're going to go back into our lunge. Okay? So my outside leg, I'm going to drop it down onto the ground. My back's nice and straight. Come up onto my hands. Bring my other leg onto the ground. That technique, there was no bending, no twisting in my low back. I felt very little, if anything, on my low back during that technique. There's one to try at home. Technique number 2. We're going to come up to our bed. We're going to sit on the edge of it. From here, we're going to, keeping our body straight, we're not bending, okay? I'm going to put my elbow down. I'm going to come down onto my elbow. Okay? From here, bring my feet up onto the bed. Come down onto my side. From here, we're going to do that log roll technique, which is moving our legs and our trunk at the same time. So 1, 2, 3, and I roll. Our spine didn't bend or twist. I'm here. I can do whatever I like from this position now. Coming back out of the bed, same thing. Can bend my knees, make this a little easier. Going to do my log roll, count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Roll my entire body over to the side. From here, kick my legs off the bed. Use my top arm to push off the bed. Come back up. There's no bending in my spine. From here, I can get up. So again, no bending in the spine, no twisting. I felt very little, if anything, in my low back. So there you go, guys. There's 2 techniques you can try at home to help minimize the amount of pain reproduction in your low back when you get into and out of bed. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Cody Dudgeon, registered physiotherapist at Strength and Youth Therapy.